Nearly 2 years ago, my husband and I ventured north to Silicon Valley to take in SVVR. As their promotion said, it was VR's main event, and it filled the San Jose Convention Center. But frankly, I wasn't overly impressed with their applications beyond gaming. After all, Morton Heilig started the field in the 1950s and built the Sensorama as a prototype of his Experience Theater in 1962. But fast forward to today, and there's a lot happening way beyond fun and games. And not just with VR, but AR and MR too. Hi, I'm Mimi Grant, president of the ABL organization, and just as I did, you may be asking, what's MR? Well, you already know that virtual reality, VR, creates a digital environment that replaces the user's real-world environment, and that augmented reality, AR, overlays digitally created content into the user's real world. MR, mixed reality, seamlessly blends the user's real world and digitally created content where both environments can coexist and interact with each other. According to our friends at Infogen Labs, there are already dozens of use cases for AR and MR in a broad spectrum of industries and sectors. For example, in the military, which developed the first immersive MR experiences as early as 1992. Today, their numerous applications include tactical AR in the field and STE, synthetic AR training environment. In industrial and manufacturing, guided training and remote support. In education, immersive, self-guided, interactive visual learning. And in engineering, colleague collaboration and communication. Some of my favorite use cases are in healthcare. For example, at El Camino's Los Gatos Hospital, midwives and doulas are using $200 Oculus units with mothers in labor, distracting their minds and bodies from signals of pain and fear, enabling them to forego pain meds and epidurals, at least in labor's earlier stages. Collaborators Oculus and VR Health are bringing VR headsets into hospitals to soothe cancer patients in chemotherapy, pre- and post-surgical patients, and burn victims. And AT&T is piloting VR with VITAS as a new alternative therapy that will hopefully benefit patients by decreasing symptom burden while increasing quality of life. With Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Magic Leap all building their competitive technologies, and with sales last year of 250 million Android AR-enabled phones and 380 million iPhones with ARKit capabilities, soon AR objects and banner ads will be regular features on our phones, as will digital AR pets, with all the emotions and physical looks of a real pet, but without all the feeding and cleanup responsibilities, like this little stick-catching pup from Ridgeline Labs. Of course, entertainment is where VR started and is still huge. But now we'll soon be seeing entertainment intertwined with merchandising at selected Walmarts. DreamWorks, How to Train Your Dragon, The Hidden World. Virtual tours start in Burbank on February 15th, and will set up a total of 16 Walmart parking lots across the Southwest, ending its roadshow in Bentonville in April. This self-contained 50-foot tractor trailer features a free 5-minute VR dragon riding experience, followed by, of course, a stop in a themed gift shop, right after guests take off their VR gear. While the virtual tour looks more like a theme park installation than a traditional retail experience, DreamWorks' partner in developing this attraction is Spatial End, which focuses on creating immersive retail experiences. Turns out Spatial End was hatched in store number 8, Walmart's tech incubator, focused on retail innovation. So move over e-commerce, here comes V-commerce. I'd love to hear, what's your favorite VR, AR, or MR experience?